What's up, guys? And today we're gonna be smashing these AirPods, hoping I get a lot of views. IDK too though. So let's see. Fall test, okay? We got a trampoline over there. So first, we're just gonna do my height. Dang. Okay. I already put water in here. Right, you guys can't see anything. Okay, now we're gonna do the rock test. Rock test right here. This is the rock test. Ooh! That wasn't too much damage. We're gonna burn this later in the video. Oh, so I just like throw it? Okay, I throw it. Ugh. No. Okay, now trampoline test. Sorry, I didn't record that. My bad. Let me just like rock. Ooh. Desk slam. Did I catch that? IDK. Okay, we're gonna do that again. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Okay, guys, I got so much stuff to destroy. I got a lot in here. Guys, I do need more space. We're gonna do a part 2. Burning it, part 2. Don't mind my fingernails, I know. I'm sorry. Ow! You stupid off freaking on log, bro. Okay. I think I broke it. No! Did I lose it? Sure felt like. Where is it, guys? I don't see it. Oh. I'm scared. I don't see the AirPods. Give me a second. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna roll back the footage. I'm gonna make a part 2. Peace out, guys, and I hope you enjoyed.